this is, unsurprisingly, turning out to be a beautiful little historic town. I love all the architecture. Absolutely stunning. I am a fan of history and a fan of old buildings, and well, that is definitely old, isn't it? Stunning. So Ludlow, obviously in Shropshire, it's doing exactly what I expected it to be, which is a nice, quiet, small, historic town. Look at this everyone, for some architecture. And the little alleyways, love it. This reminds me a lot like Tewkesbury. You never know what you're going to see in the alleyways. Even more quaint shops, hopefully.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if it's going to be like Kenilworth Castle, where only really the facade is left. We'll pop a link for Ludlow Castle in the description below. I always say in these videos, everyone don't know that we are lucky in the UK with all our churches and castles. We have a splendid selection. I love seeing how the different floors would have been, even though of course there's nothing really left apart from the shell. This is the judges' lodgings apparently, and quite obviously there would have been the steps up. I like how the fireplaces are sort of running in a slight diagonal. I'm not absolutely certain, everyone, that the camera's picking up the splendour of this castle. It may only now be a shell, but bearing in mind that this was built 1080 something, I'll put it at the bottom of the video now. There is a lot to explore, everyone. Recommended. Now there is a grand fireplace. I do love history, and we certainly have a lot of it here, don't we? Cool. This is making me think it's going to be one of those videos where someone's going to be watching and they're going to be like, check out at 3 minutes and 42 seconds, did you see that? If you do see something, let me know, put a timestamp in the video. There was a sound then, but I'm assuming it was a bird. Yep, we have pigeons. So look at the view. It's a rather respectable view of Shropshire, everyone. It does look like I'm going to be able to test, in a small way, my fear of heights, because it looks like we can climb the next bit. I'll probably only get so far. No.
Getting down, that's the problem. Oh, that was a ways up. 1, 2, 3. 3 floors up, do you think? Yeah, that's probably another one. If it don't go any further. Oh, it's dark in this bit. Ooh, spooky. I think it went further up, but they've blocked it off. Look at that. Oh, that's where the water will go. That's shot. Oh, here we go again, peeps, up these stairs. Try not to bounce you too much, but they are quite steep. Just been down there. Ooh. There's the well. And there's Mr. Dragon's Head. It's a bit of a step. Oh, right, let's see where we are. Wow. Yep. Oh, it's up to the tippity top. definitely worth it. Wow, that's a dingy hole, isn't it? Wonder if that's for the candles.
Hello.
Look who's up there.
Hello. Boo. Ludlow Castle, everyone, worth a visit. That was our look around the historic town of Ludlow, and what a beautiful little historic town it is. I love all the quaint shops and I love the architecture. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you found it useful. Look for links below for places around in the area and places to see in Ludlow itself, and happy travels. See you on the next one.